Hello and welcome to Natural Cures Matter. Today we're going to discuss about medicinal plants. Google defines medicinal plants as the plants that possess therapeutic properties. Medicinal plants also exert beneficial pharmacological effect on human or animal body. Medicinal plants are important because they are considered as rich resources of ingredients. They can also be used in drug development, either pharmacopoeial, non-pharmacopoeial, or synthetic drugs. Some medicinal plants and their derivatives are considered as important source for active ingredients which are used in aspirin or toothpaste. According to Google, these are the nature's most powerful medicinal plants as backed up by science. We have turmeric, evening primrose oil, flaxseed, tea tree oil, echinacea, grapeseed extract, lavender, and chamomile. Hope this information is useful to you, and if you would like to have more medicinal cures and nature's related information, kindly subscribe to this channel, like and share. Thank you so much. See you again for more of natural cures.